Okay, we are starting chapter B. We're on chapter B, section 1 on multiplying integers. Remember, integers are going to be those positive and negative numbers. If you want to follow along in your textbook, I'm on page 550. So for multiplying integers, there's two major rules, and then everything else should be prior knowledge for you. So the first rule is multiplying integers with the same sign. That means positive times positive or negative times negative. Your answer will always be positive. So if you have a positive times a positive, you're going to get a positive answer. If you have a negative times a negative, you will also get a positive answer. It's almost like the negatives cancel each other out. So same sign, always going to have a positive answer. Now on the opposite end, multiplying integers with different signs. So maybe you have a positive and a negative, or a negative and a positive. Those are always going to be a negative answer. So multiplying integers with different signs, you're going to get a negative answer. Same sign will be a positive answer. Okay, so make sure you have that written down. Okay, let's look at some examples. You're going to see the direction find the product. So we have a -5 times a -6. Negative times a negative, same sign. That means our answer is going to be positive. So you're just doing the math. What's 5 times 6? Well, it's 30. And because they have the same sign, it will be a positive 30. So a -5 times a -6 is going to be positive 30. This one, positive 3 times a -4. Different signs, positive, negative. So the answer is going to be negative on this one. So 3 times 4 is 12. It has to be a -12 on this, different sign. This one's unique. So let's take a look at this. You have -2 inside the parentheses and squared on the outside to the second power. So that means that second power applies to the -2. So you're going to have -2 times a -2. Same sign, you're going to get a positive 4. Now along that same lines, this looks similar, but it's not. So you have a -2 squared. So it's 2 squared with a negative on the outside. So you have 2 times 2, that takes care of the 2 squared. And then your negative is on the outside, so it actually comes into play at the very end. So what's 2 times 2? It's 4, and you have a negative on the outside, so this answer would be a -4. I wanted to go through that with you so you didn't get confused. So 2 different types of problems, 2 different answers. One's positive, one's negative, so you got to be careful on those. Okay, that was it for the notes. Very simple, just those 2 rules you have to keep in mind. Same sign, positive answer, different sign, negative answer. So your assignment's going to be in the textbook, page 553, numbers 12 through 33. Or you can go to bigideasmath.com and do the chapter B-1 assignment there. I'll let you check your answers up to 2 times. If you have any questions, you can always email me or get me on my office hours from 1 to 2. Good luck.